How to change your Instagram password. This tutorial shows you how to update your password directly through the Instagram app on your Android device. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. After that, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. From there, tap the three horizontal lines at the top right corner to open your settings. At this point, scroll down and tap on Account Center. In the next step, tap on Password and Security to open the security settings. Following this, tap on Change Password and select your Instagram account from the list. Once done, enter your current password in the first field. From here, type in your new password in the second field. Make sure it includes a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters for a strong password. At this stage, enter the same new password again in the Confirm Password field. Finally, tap Save Changes to update your password, and your Instagram account will now be secured with your new credentials. And that's it. If this Instagram guide helped you change your password, give it a like, subscribe for more Instagram tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.